realties of condominiums. This is like the different condominiums, right? So there's one realties. So are they only belongs to seniors?
Seniors prefer condominiums because then they don't have to maintain the property, right? They don't have to mow the lawn, they don't have to shovel the snow, they don't have to worry about the big maintenance on, like, if the roof needs to be replaced. They don't have to do anything about it, right? It will be the condominium corporation who's responsible for that. So a lot of times seniors will tend to prefer condominiums because of that. So as people age, they may want to downsize, and sometimes people will downsize into a condominium because it's easier as they get older.
Because the way it was, defined in the PDF, I was thinking it's more like going for seniors, because then they're saying, oh, they don't have a time to do this, and maybe it's only for the seniors. So
no. A lot of times, like, young people also like condominiums because they need less space, right? And they don't want to be bothered with the maintenance. So young people also, like to get condominiums. Or when somebody's just starting out, like the very first property I bought was a condominium, 1 bedroom and den condominium, because that's all I could afford.
So it's basically a type of a condominium. So that's why I was wondering whether it's only for the seniors. So it's like
No. So there is, right. So sometimes there are specific senior only condominiums.
Okay.
Right. So you can have age restriction, like it will be 55 plus condominium or 60 plus condominium. And the reason for that is because some people may want peace and quiet, right? So they don't want a bunch of kids running around and screaming and things like that, right? Or sometimes these types of condominiums may have extra facilities that are offered that are geared towards the older generation. So they may have, like, for example, nurse that comes and visits, or they may have certain activities that are more geared towards the seniors, that type of deal. So those are senior only condominiums, and it's just the focus is on certain things. And there are other condominiums that are like for anybody.